My dear citizens of Meghalaya, on this 79th Independence Day, I extend my heartfelt greetings to you all. Today we honor our freedom fighters, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and to the patriots from our soil, Meghalaya, Yu Turang Singh, Yu Keong Nogba, and Pa Togan Sangma, as well as our defense, paramilitary, and police forces. In the last 7 years, we have made a huge progress towards our vision 2032 goal of becoming a $16 billion economy. Recent visit of our Honorable Union's Finance Minister to Meghalaya has further strengthened the state's efforts towards inclusive development in the border regions. During her visit to Sobar in East Khasi Hills, she announced the inclusion of 92 border villages in Meghalaya under the Vibrant Village program to ensuring the commitment to provide critical infrastructure, education, healthcare, and livelihood opportunities in these areas. Among the 10 commitments outlined under the Mission 10, universal access to tap water stands out as a major success. In just 5 years, many schools, Anganwadi centers, and multiple health facilities have also been connected through this mission. Since 2018, the state was able to sanction over 3,500 kilometers of roads and 126 long-span bridges, raising road density from 43 kilometers to 63 kilometers per 1,000 square kilometers and vastly improving access to remote region. To boost tourism and air connectivity in the state, the government has taken all the necessary steps for the upgradation of the Shillong airport in order to accommodate larger aircrafts and enhance connectivity with the major cities. In the last 5 years, maternal and infant deaths have seen a substantially declined. Under the PM Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission, 70 sub-centers have been completed and 40 are functional, while 31 urban health and wellness centers are operational across all districts. The success of Meghalaya Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy 2024 is being reflected. 330 crore Varun beverage plant set up in North Gora Hills was inaugurated recently. Working with the Vikasit Bharat vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, we aspire for a Vikasit Meghalaya to be a $100 billion economy by 2047, when we celebrate the 75th anniversary of our statehood. Meghalaya's agriculture sector continues to evolve through targeted mission, mode intervention focused on high-value crops such as Lokodong turmeric, ginger, Khasi jawcrots, mushrooms, and spices, etc. A recent milestone was the shipment of 10 metric tons of locally grown black peppers from southwest Gora Hills to Mumbai. 2 metric tons of premium organic pineapples was recently flagged off by Union's Finance Minister to Dubai. The vibrant spirit of our state's pineapple growers was also showcased at the 3rd edition of the Pineapple Festivals in New Delhi, further boosting market access for the farmers. In 2024, over 16 lakhs tourists visited our state, attracted by its natural beauty and vibrant culture. To further strengthen this momentum, we have increased the homestay subsidy in 2025-26, aimed to expanding quality accommodation across the state. The government is inspired by its vision and voices of its people, a shining testament to the spirit of the Hello Meghalaya OTT platform, which in just 1 year has crossed over 3 lakh downloads, offering high quality films and music videos in the local languages that reflects our rich culture. Selection of Meghalaya as the host for the 39th National Games in 2027 marks a major opportunity to showcase its growing sports ecosystem and organizational capacity. The government has sanctioned 732 crores for building one of the largest football stadium in the country in New Shillong Township. We have a large number of aspiring youths. To fully harness their potential, the government is focusing on skilling and training of its working age population. Skills Meghalaya has trained and provided industry ready skills to more than 26,000 people in 2024-25. The Prime program currently supports more than 5,500 entrepreneurs, providing mentoring, financial assistance and market linkages. In a significant achievements for handloom sector, the government facilitated the successful application for geographical indication tag by the Meghalaya in the producers associations in Rivo district recognition the unique craftsmanship of India fabrics and Kosi handloom products. The GI registration marks a major steps in preserving indigenous textiles traditions while enhancing market value and identity for local weavers. The establishment of the Captain Williamson Sangma State University has started academic sessions. The government is expanding higher education access by creating multiple new posts for science and commerce colleges and introducing these streams in multiple government colleges. The state government is facilitating the establishment of the Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs under the PM Divan scheme. In a noteworthy achievements, 96% of students under the Meghalaya Board of Schools Education successfully passed their senior secondary examinations. The state launched the school quality assessment and accreditation framework in June 2025 to transfer and monitor school standards. Meghalaya has a forest cover of over 76%, out of which the government is committed to bring more than 1 lakh hectares of forest under one of the India's largest payment of ecosystem scheme called Green Meghalaya and Green Meghalaya Plus. Various projects are underway to redevelop various tourist spots and popular lakes with vision of cities that celebrate heritage, promote local identity and foster community pride. The recently upgraded Williamson Sangma Meghalaya State Museum now presents immersive exploration of Kosi Jantia and Garo culture with expanded galleries on geology, textile, cartography and Shillong's 150 years journey. The government is implementing the Land Digital India Land Records and Modernization program to the 3 autonomous district councils, including cadastral survey. Dear citizens of Meghalaya, the government remains committed to building a stronger and more progressive state through focus and systematic efforts. Achieving this vision requires the active participation and support of every individual. On this important day, let us commit ourselves by being productive, enterprising, and compassion in our action. Together, with optimism and shared purpose, we can work towards the goal of placing Meghalaya among the top 10 states in the country by 2032, when we celebrate 60 years of statehood. Once again, I extend my heartfelt greetings on this national festival. Together, let us build a prosperous, inclusive, and sustainable future for our state and our great nation. Kublai, Mitela, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.